Welcome back to another video.
We're starting late again.
We're starting late.
It's a Friday.
On a Friday. It's Friday. 10 o'clock p.m. to be exact. My wife has a challenge for DoorDash, so I figured we do it together. We have a $200 for 25 deliveries challenge. Her acceptance rate is at 0. Now it's at 9, okay? It might as well be at 0. But we're gonna start this off and see if we can make the 25 deliveries. Yeah, let's go start this beautiful challenge. About to get our first order right now. $4 for Chick-fil-A, 1 mile.
The cool thing about that is that it does say here they send me a text saying that the Chick-fil-A order is ready for pickup. So go ahead and grab your order. Make sure you check all the items per usual.
Ready for pickup?
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's even better. Let's do it. All right, Peter for Maribel beef. Just picked up this order for Chick-fil-A. Let's go ahead and knock it out real quick. Just drop that off. Earned a total of $4 for that order. 1 down, 24 to go. They're just giving me an order for $2.50 for 3 miles. No, I'm not that desperate. No. We've been sitting here for about 15 minutes now. DoorDash has been pushing the same orders back to back to back to back to back. And they're pretty much bad orders as well. Like, take it the first time, stop sending it back. We got one for $4 for 1.00 miles.
Keep in mind, this is the best we've gotten.
Yes. Legit the best we've gotten so far. When we first started the video, it was at 9%. All right, remember that number. So we declined a lot of orders. Just picked up the order, heading to a place I really hate going to.
You can see the face of defeat.
Eric? Gotcha.
Have a nice night.
You too, thank you. Just dropped off that order. A total of $4 for that beautiful order. What are we gonna do with all this money? Don't mean to make everyone jealous, but we made $4 on that order. Not bragging. No, of course not. All right, we got another one for $13.25 for Insomnia cookies, 9 miles. Let's do it, baby. Not too happy about it, but let's do it, baby. You're welcome. Hey, for Reza H.
And
That's it.
oh, sure.
Yeah. This right here? Appreciate you. Thank you. Just picked up that order for Insomnia cookies, and we are about to head out and deliver it. There's no one inside that car. No one in that car at all. Self-driving car. The future. All right, finished dropping that off. Order total was $13.25. So altogether we've made $21.25. We're 3 out of 25 now. We got a $19 velvet taco for 3.3 miles. Uber Eats.
We had to turn it on, guys.
Yeah, we had to turn Uber Eats on because...
And trust me, my acceptance rate there is not good either.
No. Our acceptance rate is
6%
on Uber Eats.
It's been bad, okay?
It's been bad.
I want no judgment, okay? No judgment whatsoever.
Just finished picking up that Uber Eats order. I know this is supposed to be a DoorDash challenge video, but we had to sneak that in there real quick, you know? Gotta make money somehow.
It's a gig.
Yeah, come on. Just finished dropping that one off. Luckily someone came through the gate, so we were able to tailgate behind them. Timer was counting down too. We have another one for DoorDash this time. Velvet Taco. It's $9 for 0.2 miles. Pretty damn good. Here, just picked up that order. Now we're heading fairly close. That's all I can say.
How you doing?
I have Uber Eats for delivery. Just put delivery here.
Normally they just do first name and then like Uber or DoorDash or whatever.
Gotcha.
Yeah. Or delivery. What you got?
Got some velvet taco.
Oh, really?
All right, so just dropped that off. Earned a total of $9 for that order. We're 4 out of 25 now. I know it's a DoorDash challenge, but $27.02 for 5.8 miles. Velvet taco. Sorry, DoorDash, but I need to do this too. We gotta make money. Go pick up this velvet $27 beautiful money order. Just picked up this velvet taco order. 14 minutes away, 5.2 miles, $27. The wait time wasn't even that long, to be quite honest. Waited there for like, what, 5 minutes? Pretty good. All right, just finished dropping that beautiful order off. Getting another order for velvet taco, $10.50 for 6.7 miles on DoorDash, yes. Just finished picking that order up. We're gonna head over and take care of this real quick. All right, just dropped off that order. We earned a total of $10.50 for that last order. And we are shutting DoorDash down. We have 20 more to go. We're gonna get that done real quick. If we can get the whole 20 done tomorrow, that'll be perfect. So I can only pray.